you guys, I just did the entire thing thinking that I was recording and I was not. So I'm just gonna show you this type of bed that I use sometimes. I always don't cringe. Okay, so now, hi, sorry guys. So you go to soccer, right? When you get here, you're gonna go to live now, and then when you get to live now, you're gonna go to bed type, and then next go. I'm gonna show you, but the slip is already in because I thought I was recording by the time I was doing it, but I was not. So you're gonna go down and you're gonna look for teams that are like 70 minutes plus in. So this one here, Waterford, is 72 minutes in. So you're gonna take this one, and then you're gonna take this one. It's 88 minutes. Sorry about my voice, you guys. I have flu. Okay, only those two. But now, like I said, I already have a sleep in, which I thought I was recording, but I was not. So here it is. This one, 2 rands gave me 5 rands. Can you see that? It's already winning. This one won already, and then the last one is ended, and it won already. So by the time I was placing this this sleep, this match was 2-0, ne? So that means